air pollution is becoming a growing concern for Twin Cities residents. But typical methods for measuring air pollution can be rather expensive. So researchers Daniel Stanton and Natalia Mossmann Koch are advocating for an alternative solution: lichen.
Our method to place the transplants is to put in a height where usually people would breathe, like around our head. The idea is that we want lichens to monitor the same or the similar amount of heavy metals and air pollutants that we are breathing, because lichens absorb everything from the air, and they are also sensitive to even slight changes. So they are sensitive to changes in humidity, they are sensitive to changes in air pollution. So even small changes, they start to show some impact. As we can see here, this tree doesn't have a lot of lichens, and if I look around, I also don't see a lot of lichens. This is a good example of places where we already see lichens disappearing in the cities, or maybe they disappeared some time ago and they were not able to come back, and we are not sure why. So we have to measure things to be sure if it is air pollution, if it is just a change in humidity, if it is just like climate change, or what is going on.
Before transplanting the healthy lichen specimens, Natalia and Daniel collect data on their physiology, such as photosynthetic activity and structural integrity.
So they're going to be there for a total of 12 months, but after 6 months we are going to go to the sites, collect half of it, run the same analysis, the physiological analysis, and also the heavy metal analysis. Like, we are going to send to a lab that is going to measure the heavy metal contents of those lichens, and then we are going to do that in the other cities in the same way.
Daniel and Natalia also take note of changes in their visible characteristics, like color, size, or structure. With the help of local naturalists, they hope to create an air quality index for local communities to continue monitoring air quality with lichen in their region.
The idea is to have this list of characteristics that people can usually see, like, do they have granules, do they have like big structures or small structures. By using the lichen characteristics and this lichen index, people from the communities can collaborate doing citizen science and monitoring their own neighborhoods, and empowering them as well as like active naturalists, like monitoring their own neighborhood air pollution.